Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over the 5 best side hustles online that still work for 2024 and have been working for me for well over at least 1 year now. So if you're looking for a side hustle to get started in this upcoming new year 2024, then this video is for you. So the way I organize this video is that I'm going to be starting off with the least capital intensive side hustles and then ending with the most capital intensive side hustles. With any side hustle, usually the question comes to mind is how much time do I have to invest in it, and then how much money do I actually have to quote unquote risk in order to get this side hustle to work. I've got 5 side hustles here, starting with the least capital intensive or the least riskiest side hustle, and that's going to be online coaching. So with online coaching, what I do is that I do coach people into doing faceless YouTube channels or helping them launch or start running successful YouTube automation channels. And so with that, online coaching, basically you just hop into one-on-one calls. I do Zoom calls, and basically the least risk with this is that people are essentially paying for your time when it comes to this side hustle. So with this side hustle, you can do one-on-one calls, you can do group calls, and the way I set it up is that people are able to schedule one-on-one calls with me, and then we meet via Zoom using the Zoom application, and it's just a 1-hour call, and I'm there to answer any questions that they have, answer any questions they have about their faceless channel, and basically help them strategize. So when it comes to online coaching, I do believe everyone has their own fair share of knowledge, more than the average person. So the way I want to think about it is like, you don't have to be a complete expert in a subject, but what you do have to do is that you have to have experience in a subject. And so when you're quote unquote coaching individuals online, you're basically laying out your experience within that subject. And hopefully that experience was successful or has to lead to some success that the person that you're coaching is seeking after. So you don't have to be the best coach, or you don't have to be the most experienced person, but you do have to have some experience within the niche that you're willing to coach in. I've been running YouTube automation channels for 4 years now, and so the way I think about it is that I'm not the richest when it comes to making money off YouTube automation. I'm not the best at YouTube automation, but what I do have is that I have experience when it comes to YouTube automation. So within your niche, maybe you have experience with weight loss, maybe you have experience with Amazon FBA stores, maybe you have experience building websites. You'd be very surprised that people are just basically seeking people who have experience. They're seeking coaches, and people who have experience can tend to be coaches as long as that experience has led to some success that people are seeking after. Coaching, there really is no investment. It's just time investment when it comes to these one-on-one hour calls that I do privately. But moving on to the next side hustle, we have print on demand. So print on demand is something that I've been doing for over, I'd say about 7 years now. And what I do is that I basically create designs, or have a team that creates designs, and we publish them onto Merch by Amazon and other print on demand websites. So the really cool thing about this side hustle is that I have not touched it in over 4 years. Okay. So the crazy thing, again, 4 years, I haven't touched this side hustle. The last time I touched it was, I think, back in late 2019. With this side hustle, essentially how it works is that you upload designs onto Merch by Amazon, for example, or any other print-on-demand website such as Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring. All of those are considered print-on-demand websites. And then when someone orders your design off of those websites, that print-on-demand website then prints and ships that design on that product to their customer. Print on demand, it's a very, very simple model, and I've been doing this again for over 7 years now, but I stopped doing it 4 years ago. So the really cool thing about this side hustle is that it makes me about $1,000 per month, and usually around November/December time, I usually make an extra $10,000 per month just because of the increase in demand in sales. And so with print on demand, it's a very low risk. I was paying about 25 to 50 cents per design. Basically what I would do is that I would hire someone off Upwork, they would create the design, they would send it back, and then someone would take that design and upload it onto Merch by Amazon, and it just stays on Amazon forever. You don't have to do any extra marketing. You can run ads if you want, which is what I do, but you don't have to. Once someone orders a product, everything is basically fulfilled and handled by Amazon. So print on demand, I think it's a very easy side hustle to get into. You just hire designers off of Upwork. You just make sure the designs are good. You have to stay away from copyright designs, of course. You don't want to do anything related to Marvel or Disney or any popular name. You just upload it on Merch by Amazon. It just stays there. And when someone buys it, it's all handled by Amazon. The way this side hustle worked for me is that I spent a lot of time doing it back in 2019 to 2018, I believe. /2017 also. So between 2017 and 2019, I was uploading a lot of designs. I think I have about 8,000 designs uploaded. So it is a quantity game, but at about 25 cents or 50 cents a design, it was very, very cheap. per design. You don't have to have 8,000 designs uploaded. It really depends on the keywords that you target. Okay, you'd have to optimize these designs on Merch by Amazon. But with it, optimization, the design itself, that's what matters more when it comes to getting these designs to actually sell. So a print on demand, it's a very low risk. It's very low work as well. You just create the design and optimize it on Merch by Amazon. But come every quarter four, the sales usually skyrocket and you make a lot more. So print on demand is side hustle number 4. Now moving on to side hustle number 3, we have the Amazon Influencer Program. So with the Amazon Influencer Program, this is a very easy side hustle to get started with. There is an acceptance process, which is fairly easy to get into, but once you're accepted, you basically film products that are sold on Amazon and create a review on it and then upload it onto the Amazon Influencer platform. This is my newest quote unquote side hustle that I've been doing for about a year now. And every single month, I've been making around $3,000 with it. The really cool thing about this program or this side hustle is that number one, you can basically just review products that are sitting around your house. So what I do is that I simply just have my phone, and then with my phone, I have attached with a mic, and I'm basically just holding my phone like this while filming the product while holding it like this. So it makes it very easy. I just talk about it for a minute or so, and then I upload onto Amazon. And then the way it works is that once someone watches at least, I think 50% of your video and then buys a similar product, you get a commission. So let's pretend I make a video on this remote control. Even if someone buys a different remote control after they've watched my review video on this remote control, I will still get a commission. It's a side hustle that I'm still working on every single week. So what happened is that I have one of my coworkers who are researching products to buy every single week. And so we buy 5 of the same product. We compare all the products together, and then we make individual videos for each of those 5 products. And then we upload it onto Amazon Influencer Program. So every week we're about uploading 5 new videos. And the cool thing about this side hustle also is that the videos that you see on Amazon are also uploaded onto YouTube. So it's a very small amount that we make from YouTube plus Amazon Associates. And with that, it's like a couple $100, but it's just basically just repurposing the videos that we're making for the Amazon Influencer Program and uploading it onto the YouTube platform itself. So that is side hustle number 3. Moving on to the next side hustle is drop servicing. So on my channel, you're going to see a lot of videos dedicated to drop servicing. And drop servicing to me is kind of like drop shipping, except you're basically being the middleman when it comes to actual online services. So with these online services, what you want to do is that you want to find like an in-demand service such as script writing, voiceover, video editing. Those are the realms that I'm in. And if someone needs a script writer, voiceover, video editor, you basically want to charge a bit more, but have your team be the one to actually create the video or do the voiceover or write the script. So drop servicing is something that's been very, very lucrative for me ever since I started YouTube automation. I basically have a team who creates and writes scripts and records voiceovers and does video edits for other individuals as well. Drop servicing, you can do it for a lot of different side hustles online: website design, logo creation, video editing, voiceovers, script writing. A lot of different things can be drop service. You just have to be the middleman. And this one is not as easy to get started with, but it is very, very low work. And it's also a very good low maintenance side hustle to get into once you have your systems and processes down. So I have multiple videos dedicated to drop servicing that you'll see on my channel. I haven't created a video about it in a long time just because I've been off and off with different side hustles. The last side hustle that I want to go over is YouTube automation. And so with YouTube automation, it's something that I've been doing for 4 years now. And although there's a lot of talk about YouTube automation not working or it being very saturated or being there are too many videos, it's been quite stable for me for 4 years now. So I've been doing it since late 2019. And with YouTube automation, essentially you find people on Upwork. You have those people on Upwork be the script writer, the voiceover artist, the video editor, the thumbnail designer, and description writer. And then with it, you create videos and upload them onto YouTube. Once they're uploaded onto YouTube, if someone watches the video, you're hopefully going to be monetized eventually, and then you can start earning money. So YouTube automation, it's one of my biggest businesses right now. I've been doing it for 4 years. It makes a really good amount of money every single month. If you're looking to get started with YouTube automation, I do have multiple different videos talking about how to get started with YouTube automation. So I'm not going to get too much into detail on it, but that is the last side hustle that I recommend that's been working for me. So that's all I have for this video, everyone. If you did enjoy this video, please like and comment below what other side hustles you're into. I do plan on making this channel more dedicated to other side hustles that I'm going to be trying out just because I do like trying out different things just for fun. But even so, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.